Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Lexus LBX is finally here, and it's making a bold entrance into the luxury compact SUV segment. Designed to challenge conventional expectations of what a small luxury SUV can be, the LBX blends premium comfort, athletic styling, and advanced technology into one impressive package. At first glance, the exterior styling grabs your attention with its sculpted body lines, sleek LED headlamps, and a more aggressive reinterpretation of the iconic Lexus spindle grille. It's compact in size, but the LBX doesn't play it safe. It makes a statement, turning heads in urban settings while maintaining Lexus's refined identity. Step inside, and the cabin experience takes luxury to a whole new level for its class. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and minimalist design work together to create a space that feels open and elevated. The attention to detail is what really sets the LBX apart. Soft touch materials cover the dash and door panels, and the seats are wrapped in synthetic leather or optional real leather depending on the trim. Lexus calls it relaxed sophistication, and it fits. Even though it's a small SUV, the interior feels premium in every sense, offering comfort that rivals much larger and more expensive vehicles. Technology in the 2026 LBX is just as impressive as its design. A fully digital 12.3-inch driver display is standard, providing customizable views of essential driving data. The center touchscreen infotainment system, either 9.8 or 12.3 inches depending on trim, offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and over-the-air updates. Lexus has also introduced a new AI-enhanced voice assistant that responds to natural speech commands. The system is fast, intuitive, and less distracting than ever before. A premium Mark Levinson sound system is available, turning the cabin into a personal concert hall for audiophiles. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus LBX is powered by a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder hybrid engine, paired with an electric motor and a CVT transmission. This setup delivers around 134 horsepower, which might not sound like a lot, but the LBX is light, responsive, and efficient. The hybrid system prioritizes fuel economy while offering just enough power for confident city driving and occasional highway cruising. You won't be breaking speed records, but you will be getting impressive mileage, estimated at over 50 miles per gallon in combined driving. Front-wheel drive comes standard, with an optional all-wheel drive system for better traction and handling. Driving the LBX is a surprisingly refined experience. Thanks to Lexus's GAB platform and finely tuned suspension, the ride quality is smooth and controlled. Steering is precise, and body roll is minimal through tight corners. Noise insulation is excellent for a vehicle in this class, making highway driving calm and comfortable. It may be a compact crossover, but it handles more like a well-balanced hatchback, which is exactly what urban drivers will appreciate. Safety, as expected from Lexus, is a top priority. The 2026 LBX comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road sign recognition, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, and more. New for this model is Proactive Driving Assist, which gently helps with steering and braking in low-speed conditions to reduce driver fatigue in heavy traffic or during urban commutes. With the LBX, Lexus is targeting a younger demographic who wants something premium, efficient, and stylish without the bulk of a traditional SUV. It's ideal for city dwellers, first-time luxury buyers, and anyone looking to downsize without compromising on quality. The LBX proves that luxury doesn't have to be large, loud, or extravagant. It can be compact, smart, and beautifully understated. With pricing expected to start under $40,000, the 2026 Lexus LBX might just be the most accessible entry into the Lexus family yet. We'll see you next video.